Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardener's recipe vlog for today. Today we are going to be cooking rhubarb and orange muffins. Yes, not just your usual rhubarb crumble, we're going to show you how to cook rhubarb and orange muffins. So stay tuned to see how we get to. The ingredients we need for this recipe are as follows: 1 egg beaten, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 175 ml of orange juice, 1 dessert spoon of orange zest, 250 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of caster sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 150 grams of finely chopped. So now you've seen that, let's get cooking. First off, you need to preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Ready for when you put your mixture in. So the first thing we're going to need to do first is get 1 egg and beat it in a bowl. Beaten. Then we need to stir in the oil, which is 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We need to stir in the orange juice, which is 175 ml, and stir in the orange zest, which is 1 dessert spoon. So that's all mixed in together. So next up, we need to get another bowl where we're going to combine the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, the bicarb soda, and the salt all together. So that's it all in together in there. That's the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, and the bicarb soda and salt. So I just need to give that a good stir together. So that's all mixed in together. Next, we need to stir in the egg mixture into the flour mixture until just moistened, so just nice and gently. And then keep stirring it as we go along. Mix it all together, all like that now, lovely and mixed together. Next, we need to fold in the chopped rhubarb. It needs to be finely chopped, so we need 150 grams of that. So you need to finely chop it up just like that, and then we need to stir it into the mixture, and it should look something like that. So once you've done that, all you've got left to do next is spoon the mixture into 12 muffin cases, equally filled, ready to cook. So that's all the mixture in the cases, evenly out. So it's a case of putting it in the oven now for 20 to 30 minutes, or until a skewer comes out nice and clean. So let's get them in the oven at 190 degrees. They're all nicely cooked now. Been in for about 25-30 minutes. As you can see, they're golden brown. So yeah, can't wait to taste them.